Okay, this is just a quick video for anybody who has a Mac and also a Android tablet and you don't want to buy an iPad to use as a secondary monitor. So you can use Duet for this. I looked around for free apps and there aren't any. I tried one or two and they just didn't work. I've also asked around online and I couldn't find any free options. This is pretty cheap though. It's $3 per month if you're going to use a cable. So I've got the USB that charges the laptop here. It didn't work with another USB cable, so you may have to use the official one, which is a minor inconvenience. And I only use it about twice a month, so it's not a big deal for me that. If you want to do it wirelessly over your wireless Wi-Fi network, it's $4 per month. And yeah, if I was doing it every day, I would probably go for that. And then once you've installed it, you can drag the monitor onto either side. And that's it really. Really simple to use. $3 with a cable, $4 per month without a cable. I'm not affiliated with them. I just thought I'd spread the good word about this. DuetDisplay.com on your Mac, or you can download Duet the app. Well, and you can download Duet the app on Google Play on your tablet. Cheers.